Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Man, today we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Pontiac GTO. Beautiful car, guys. PHS documented car. I have really been on the struggle bus trying to find this body style 66, 67 goats, man. Been tough for me to find. Love these cars. This one's just gorgeous. A buddy of mine out of Kentucky actually found this one from me. Car's actually out of Mississippi. Good, clean Mississippi body. Just underwent a complete restoration. There's photos of it. Again, I do have the PHS documentation. Resto was just completed, he said, about a year and a half ago. Killer car, man. This thing's just a baby doll. Runs and drives excellent. Just tuned to a T. It's got a tri-power, and you literally just turn the key, it fires right up. Awesome, awesome car, man. Again, runs and drives excellent. Factory red on red car. If you're a veteran of my videos, you know I love that color combination. And it's original. I think it's Monterey red. And it's got the red vinyl interior. It's a factory 4-barrel car that has been changed to a tri-power. But neat car. Really pretty car. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. This car is really nicely done, man. And like I say, just a baby doll. This thing just drives excellent. I love this body style. I think everybody loves the stacked headlights. You can see the chrome and stainless is nice. And again, what impressed me is how nicely they got this tri-power tuned. Because you literally just touch the key, this thing fires right up. Great car. Glass is nice. The fit and finish is excellent on the car. I really, really like this car. Of course, I love that red on red. Sorry about the dust. We're remodeling our building here, and we just got a mess everywhere, man. Not my favorite part about remodeling. It'll be cool when it's done, but it's like a little scratch there in the glass. Boy, it's a slick car. Pretty. Love those taillights. I think those are super cool, man. They look awesome at night. You can see that thing's nice and straight down the side. It's got the rally ones, which I love. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Tell you what, I've been on the hunt for this body style, man. I can't find it. It's been a tough go. The car's really nice underneath. Correct PMD caps and lugs. Steady Eddie put the little black pinstripe down the side. It's taped, so if you don't like it, it does come off. They've upgraded the front disc brakes. That's a nice upgrade. Doggone it, is this thing pretty. Again, factory 4-barrel car. They've added the tri-power. Like I say, tuned excellent. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got AC blows cold. It's a nice car, man. Really nice car. Pretty paint. Like I say, the chrome and stainless is really nice. I mean, there's not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car, guys. This car is tough. Look how nice the A-pillar chrome is. They've definitely replaced that. That's nice. See a few little marks in that top trim there. Door handles have been replaced. Nitpick the paint in the door jamb there if you want to. You can always find something. Sorry, man, we're making a mess. Every time we walk in and out, there's just dust everywhere, so the tracking dust in and everything. Looks like it's got the correct mats, bucket seats console. It's got the His and Hers dual gauge shifter in it. Look how nice that deluxe steering wheel is. Of course, you got the wood grain dash showing 26,000 miles on. I'm sure that's 126. Factory tach and gauge car. If I remember right, I think this they've changed this. It would have been a factory 2-speed automatic. I think it's got a 3-speed automatic in it now. It's a Walker dual exhaust, I think is what he says on it. 355 safety track rear end. That's factory. Look how clean the jams are. This is a great body style too, man. Factory jack with spare. Here's your PHS documentation for the car. Again, here's the car as it was going through the resto. The guy gave us the picture book. That's pretty cool. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Man, it's a nice car. Little sweetheart right here. Yeah, it's nice on the bottom. Got it up on the hoist. Got some pictures of the bottom for you. Nice, nice car. Dash pad super nice. It's got all the wood grain dash. Aftermarket, I think that's an audio sounds radio. Go ahead, Jordy. Pretty car. And there's some little scratches in there. Look how nice that thing fired up, man. Turn the key, it just fires right up. Thing just awesome. Kick your air on, air works. Man, this thing drives nice too, guys. Boy, that front end of those cars is just so nostalgic, man. Just great looking cars. It's like all your gauge working, tachs work, your tach works. Sorry. All your gauges are working. I love the taillights. They're gonna be hard to see. Hopefully you can see that. They're super cool at night. Backup lights work. Man, it's a good car right there. Nice radio station. Air works, blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Should be a little button you can click on at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I do one of these videos. Oh, I love this car, guys. guys.